In front of me is REALME C75 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. First of all, go into settings and scroll to tap on this section called security and privacy. Now scroll again, this time to tap on device unlock and select screen lock. Finally, it's time to pick one of those password types: numeric, alphanumeric or pattern. After you tap on the chosen one, wait 5 seconds and choose continue in the pop-up. Now, if you change your mind, there is no need to go back. Just tap on use a different password type and select one of those. 4 digits, 6 digits, 4 to 16 digits, alphanumeric or pattern. Then create it and repeat it to confirm it. If you want to add your fingerprint right away, hit enable in the pop-up and follow all of the instructions from your screen. If you don't, hit cancel. You can always do it later over here. But now let's check out if it worked. When I switch off my screen, turn it back on and swipe up, icons that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!